Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. So today's video will be a little bit different. We'll try to create a dynamic calendar in Excel where we can, uh, when we change the dates, month, or the year, the calendar automatically get changed, shifted to another year or another month. And we'll see how we can use conditional formatting to highlight the cells like the current date, the dates from the previous month, something like that. So starting with first we need to write the days of the week. So it will be we'll start from Monday, we'll go till Sunday. Then at the same time we need months also. And yeah, that's it. So we are creating for 2023, and if you want you can use different years. Just you need to give the your reference right. And for month what we'll do is we'll create a drop down list. So first you can go to data tab, data validation, then from the drop down select list, and this is our list. That's it. So we'll take January as our first one. Then what we can do is we can go with the date function. So the year will be 2023. Just fix the referencing so that it doesn't shift. For month, what we'll do is we'll use match formula so that when we change our month from the drop down, it automatically searches from the list and give back the result. So this is our lookup value. This is our array. We want an exact match. And for day, we will take first. And so this is 1st Jan 2023. For the next one, what we'll do is we'll see what day it was on 1st of Jan 2023. So for that, we'll use weekday function, serial number. Then we want Monday should be 0, denoted as 0, and Saturday should be denoted as 6. So we'll go with the third option. Yeah, so it was 6. That means it was Sunday on the 1st of January. So the next step will be is equal to this date minus this one. So next will be is equal to this plus 1, because we want the next date. And what we can do is we can drag down this formula. Okay, this, yeah. The next one will be is equal to this one. Then we want our row to be shifted as we drag down the formula, but not the column. So what we'll do is we'll fix our row, not the column, plus 1. So we'll add, this can go till here. We got all the days. Now what we can do is we can just change the format, like we just want the dates. So just press Control 1, go to custom, instead of dd mmyy, just take dd as date. Or just we can do a little bit of formatting. The best option which I can find is Times New Roman. Just same formatting you can give if you want. Limits. As per your wish, you can change this as well, or you take this color. What we can do is shift over here. So we got our calendar. Let's see if it works. Yeah, so it's working fine. Now what we can do is like 29, 30 and 31 is the date from the past month. So we want it to be denoted as something else. I mean, just either it should gray out or something like that. So what we'll do is select this range, go to conditional formatting, and in more rules, choose this option. Use a formula to determine which cell to format. So just remove the absolute referencing. It should be less than this particular date. The format should be, we want our cell to be little bit grayed. That's it. Okay. Yeah. So see 29, 30 and 31 got grayed out. And we are in July, so we want our current date to be highlighted. So again, we'll go to the same rule, this one, just remove the referencing. It should be equal to today. If it is equal to today, just format it as, yeah. Okay, so we'll just fill that particular cell with this color. So this is 1st of July, so we got that filled. So when you'll come back tomorrow and we'll open that sheet, this particular cell will be highlighted. And yeah, this is how you can create your uh, calendar. And if you want, you can just this put this at red so that it denotes weekend. And if you have sadness in both you want as red, you can do that as well. So as soon as you change your calendar, your dates will be changed. So this is how you can create a nice looking calendar in MS Excel. And this will do a little bit of more formatting. This was to the center. Okay. Now what you can do is just take this and put it as white so that one can see if there's something. And if you want your dates calendar to be little visible, just do this. So we got our calendar is ready to work. Yeah, in our next video, what we'll do is we'll have a bigger video. I mean, compared to our last videos. So in this, what we'll do is we'll create an expense tracker in which we'll use some formatting and all, and some basic formulas and little bit of creativity to make it look nice and better like this. If you want, um, you, you can just um, change based according to your needs. This can be changed, like if you have some other expenses as well, you can add it over the description. We will use for the purpose of describing our expense type, like in food and groceries there are many type of expenses, so that will come in under description, and we'll see how we can make it uh, easily. That's it for this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.